Hey guys, my name's MileZee and welcome to my channel here on YouTube, and I am a content creator and Twitch streamer. You can check me out on twitch.tv/MileZee, but you've stumbled upon a fairly new channel here for me. I want to document my experience on Twitch and other platforms as a content creator, and I want to go through this journey with you guys and really just help you guys to, inspire you, help you create, help you make your own decisions, learn from my mistakes, learn from the things I've done right. So we're going to start off just by talking about what I've done in the past and what I'm taking and applying to these different platforms, including Twitch. The main thing here is entertainment. I've been in entertaining for a long time. This goes all the way back to probably around 2007, 2008, when I was in a band. We played a lot of gigs. Loved being in front of people, loved entertaining people. I've been in various different bands. Then I went and worked on a holiday park as an entertainer there, kind of like a red coat, right? If you've been to Butlins, it's very similar. I was basically doing that. And that taught me a ton of things for what I do now on Twitch. And it's the same rules apply. I went from there to being in another band that was quite successful. And yeah, sure, eventually failed, but ultimately I learned so much from that experience of going on tours and playing big venues, releasing a album and all of that kind of stuff. I learned a lot from that, whether it be from the creative side, the entertainment side, entrepreneurial side, and I hope to share some of those ideas and those thought processes with you guys and help you understand how my journey is and what I'm doing. The number one thing you have to know is you have to add value. If you're going to be streaming on Twitch, you need to add some kind of value, and entertainment equals value, right? You know, there's so many people, unfortunately, that I've gone on Twitch and seen, and they're just kind of sort of slouched down and they're playing and they're going, hey, yeah, we're gonna pick this gun up now. Oh, hey, welcome to the stream. We see a lot of that, and sure, if that's a hobby, if you're just streaming games just because you can, absolutely knock yourself out. But if you want to grow, if you want to attract more people, if you want to build a community, you kind of need to learn how to be entertaining, and you need to apply the same rules that other entertainers do and apply to their streams. Some of the biggest Twitch streamers are there because they are entertaining. They're adding value with their entertainment, their production value. All of that kind of stuff is important. You can't just hit stream and just become an overnight success. You can if you're extremely lucky, but chances are it's not the case, and you'll be streaming to 0 viewers for a while. There's a few things to get over that I will talk about in another video though. Being entertaining is about being above yourself. So that's, you know, being yourself, letting your personality shine through, but dialing yourself up to 200%. Do I talk like this in real life? No. This is my entertainment face, right? This is me speaking out loud. I'm actually quite a shy, quiet person. If you know me in real life, you'll know that if I'm in a social environment, if I'm around other people, I go really, really quiet. But it's like a light switch for me. If I'm going on stage as a band, if I'm gonna be in front of a camera, or doing movie reviews on YouTube is another thing that I did for a long time and learned a lot of techniques from that. Or even at work, you can apply the same thing. If you're delivering a presentation, if you're doing motivational speaking for your team, if you're trying to lead a team, same rules can kind of apply. But it's really, really important to still keep that human element, keep that personality. What makes you you is so important, because you're trying to sell that to people, to engage with them, build relationships. I've built so many meaningful relationships. My community isn't just community, they're family. People that I reach out to personally if they're having a bad day. You've got to split that apart in your mind. You've got to have that section here, you have the business section, and you have the human being section, right? And you've got to make those work in unison. It's like ingredients to make a cake, right? If you don't have all of those ingredients, the cake's gonna taste shit. The dough isn't gonna rise, right? You need all of those perfect ingredients to make everything work correctly and taste great. Wow, that's cheesy. But as you can see, this is my channel on Twitch tracker, and sure, after all that, you'll be like, but MileZee, you've got like 314 followers and like 23 subscribers. yeah, it's nothing really in the scale of Twitch, but I don't stream to 0 viewers anymore. And that to me is success. Success is what you make it. I've built a community on Discord that follow me through to Twitch. It's fantastic. That is success to me. I'm happy right now. But if you look down here, my followers and hours watched statistics are on a climb, and quite a steep climb to be fair. I've only been streaming for about a year, so I am new to this as well. I'm not going into this saying, hey, I'm a pro, follow all these steps. This isn't what this channel is going to be about. This is about documenting my journey on Twitch, and if you guys want to, you know, go along with me, learn a few things, maybe even learn from my mistakes, point things out that actually you should be doing this, you should be doing that, you shouldn't be doing this. This is what this channel is all about. Alongside other things, I'm going to drop some cool highlights on this channel. It's just going to be a space where I can be my creative self. And if you guys want to be there and interact, that's awesome. Hit subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. So future videos are going to include things like the overthinking, not overthinking your streaming, not, you know, and procrastinating on streaming. We're going to be going over equipment and why you don't need, like, ridiculous equipment to start streaming, avoiding drama and things going around you in terms of what other streamers say about you or what people come into your chat and say about you, and how to collaborate with other people. We'll go more into like entertainment, how to be more than yourself or above yourself and dialing yourself up to 200. Talking about how to handle burnout, how to talk to like 0 viewers, because that's going to be a thing when you start. Promoting yourself, artwork, creating music, dealing with analytics, all of that kind of stuff I want to do on this channel. So guys, if that's something that interests you, please do hit that subscribe button. Check me out over on Twitch, and I will see you soon. You can find me streaming on Twitch, by the way, on Mondays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays at 7:30 PM UK time. I'm a variety streamer, and I've tried to be a solo game streamer for a while. I got burnt out very quickly and realized that I love way too many games to be able to pick 1 or 2 games. So basically my goal is complete as many games that I enjoy on stream as much as possible, but the main focus is about the community. It's not necessarily about what game I'm playing, it's about me interacting with people on the internet and learning, you know, learning new things about myself, learning about other people, learning how to be a better person, learning how to socially interact, because my social interaction is very awkward in real life. So this is the best way forward for me. I'll do more videos about what I've done in the past as well. We'll look over some old channels and what went wrong, what went right. I'll show you tours of my equipment and what I use what for. I'll show you my OBS setup. I'll show you my PC setup. Anything that is deemed relevant to what this channel is about, I will do it. Look forward to it. Guys, I'll see you real soon with the next one. I'll see you later.
They are coming for you.
Nah, they're not coming for me, mate.
So lies 361.
Ah! You're telepathic,
hammer.
mate. Oh, he's gonna drop. Ah! Boom.